Since all my raps are just jokes to everyone, I've decided why not just make raps as jokes. Here we go. Rolled up to the store about 9:15, parking in the handicap cause you know I'm blind. Ran into the store and said hi to the greeter, but she didn't look up and I'm glad she didn't either. I was high on the reefer and I was dressed like a pirate, had a parrot on my shoulder, it was oddly gratifying. Had the motherfucking munchies, yeah I thought I was dying. Yeah I'm buying everything inside my wallet is crying. It was right about then that my parrot took a fly and he was cruising the aisles and making sounds like a lion. And that is it. Let me know what you think of this. I feel like this could go somewhere. Stay classy.